자주 요리해요?
Do you cook often?
Do you cook often?
저는 자주 요리 안 해요.
I don't cook often.
I don't cook often.
차 좋아해요?
Do you like tea?
Do you like tea?
저는 녹차 좋아해요.
I like drinking green tea.
I like drinking green tea.
커피 마셔요?
Do you drink coffee?
Do you drink coffee?
저는 커피 안 마셔요.
I don't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee.